Arun Jain ji is an MBA by profession and had worked for many MNCs in Bombay before going abroad. After 12 years of stay in abroad, he responded to his inner calling. He came back to India and pursued many spiritual paths. He is an advanced pranic healer, past life regression facilitator, and now experiments with Nad Vina for soul connection. He plays regularly with Brahm Rishi Patriji at Global Festival of Spiritual Scientists, Pyramid Valley, Bangalore. He launched Love, Peace, Joy from the platform of Dr. Newton Life University, Vikrabad in 2017. His sole agenda is to activate the heart chakra of all for a loving and peaceful world. So now I invite Master Arun Jain to bless us with him love, peace, and joy, real time state. And this will be a musical program for 45 minutes or 1 hour before we hand over then finally to Brahm Rishi Patriji after that.
नमस्ते स्वामी जी।
नमस्ते नमस्ते गुरुदेव नमस्कार।
पहले आपका संदेशा दीजिए।
वो हम बोलते हैं ना कि वी आर इन द डिजिटल वर्ल्ड, तो डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में हर चीज ई से शुरू होती है, ईमेल, ई बिजनेस, ई गवर्नमेंट, ई वॉलेट। तो हमने कहा कि सबको प्रणाम करने के लिए वी सैल्यूट ऑल द ई सोल्स। ई सोल मीन्स इवॉल्विंग सोल्स, इवॉल्व्ड सोल्स, emancipated souls, enlightened souls like Patriji and others. But we have something is common is eternal souls. So we just be like what is called we are never to die, but we move from one place to another. हम अब incarnate करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर, इतना ही हमारा है। और हमारे पास में हम जब मदर अर्थ के पास आए थे, then again अर्थ is again E. तो E में क्या है? We came for 5 E's. That is explore, experiment, experience, enjoy and finally evolve. इन 5 चीजें के लिए हम फर्स्ट टाइम जब मदर अर्थ में जब आए थे, तो we decided to have all these things to explore, experiment, experience and evolve, go to the next level. But there was a condition which was put that as soon as you incarnate, you will forget about your soul agenda. आप भूल जाओगे आप क्या है. Call it Maya, call it anything. So as soon as we have come to this plane, we forgot about ourselves. And then we have been caught into the web of Maya. That is called the Ahankar, the ego. Ego has taken place. And then ego is based on having, like, I want to have this, ownership. You want to keep things under your belt, under your name. Name and fame is driven by, you're driven by all that. So what we have, and basically what we have evolved as a fear-based existence and not love-based existence, which is our true nature. So point is that now we are the being of love, we are the being of peace, and we are being of joy. Basically all 3 things are there. But are we really so? And we are trying to figure it out what to do about it. So what we have to do we'll have to move away from the love, fear-based existence, which is represented by Manipur Chakra, because Manipur Chakra deals with all that you want to have, the power, the fame, name, and everything, all control. We have to transcend from Manipur Chakra to the Anahat Chakra. The point is that Anahat Chakra represents the unconditional love. How to get it? Sant Kabir of 15th century, he said, Pothi padi padi jagmua, pandit bhayana koe, dhai akhar prem ka pade so pandit hoye. So he said, by reading all the scriptures, all the Vedas and all that, you may not get to the state of Anahat, that is knowing exactly the prem. Prem is your being is just the prem and nothing else. But although he talked about prem, but he didn't tell us how to get it. During this course, it happened to be that Mata Saraswati she just manifested, and she said, "Look at me. There's a symbolic reason for my being here. I've been Mata Saraswati has been given 4 hands. 2 hands she's holding Veena. Now 2 hands holding Veena means what? One hand depicts the whole universe is made of frequency and the vibrations, and the second hand deals with when it is not being plugged, there is no vibration, that is there is what is called primordial silence or emptiness. So the whole universe is made of primordial silence, which is our the real self, that is Atma. And second thing is the physical world, which is denoted by the frequency and the quantum physicists also, they are trying to figure it out, what is going to be the genesis of the universe, and they have worked out the Hadron Collider, they have worked out, but they have not got much success. They've got many what is called subatomic particles that they got, and they couldn't find out what to do about it. So they came out with the string theory. That string theory is nothing but different kind of movement of the subatomic particle that they have worked out. So point is that where do we go from here? Now in Mata Saraswati holds the third hand. She's holding a circular bead. Now that is circular bead is nothing but a denotion of rhythm. Everything in this world moves around a particular denomination. Like Earth rotates 364.25 days to complete the full solar year. Everything is well designed. There is no problem. There is no chaos. So everything is well settled, and we have to work towards getting into that. Now the sound of Veena that emanates two kind of energy. One is the energy of the mineral kingdom, and second is the energy of the wood, that is plant kingdom. Now as we know that metal has higher frequency to move into the water, and since we have 70% of water as a mass in our physical body, so that helps us into getting to that 60 to 70 of self there, and which need your messages. And since this is in vibrational area that we are doing it, so they also be very responsive to this vibrational energy. Now, in order to move away from our Manipur chakra to the Anahat chakra, we will be using the sound of Veena. And incidentally, I have got this Veena with me, this is manifested in October this year. Swamiji, with the grace of Mata Saraswati, it has come there. So we will go into that, and in order to move away from solar plexus, that is Manipur chakra, to this, we'll have to remove first of all fear. We have to cut all the fears which is embedded in us, which is at the subconscious level. So while I will be playing it, the listeners can move away from the beta state of mind to the theta state, where everything, all sanskars, everything that is embedded there, and we will remove those problem areas. Like when we have to get into the hot balloon, what we have to do is untie everything which is tied up on the earth in order to move up. In order to move up, we'll have to also cut all those karmic cords which has been created, or the fears we have to remove. All those victimhood kind of syndrome we have to clear it. So in the first stage, we'll rather request people to be at a very relaxed position, maybe closing up. Of course, they have to close their eyes throughout the session, and then be there with their fears. just be an observer of the fear. With this sound of Veena, this will uproot them, and then they can live, they can understand that what is the reason of fear, and then start cutting it. So once that is, the fear is cut there, then the second stage, they can feel that they are much more at ease with themselves, because they will be having the connection with their soul frequency would be there. So there will be a 4-tier composition, one after another. And I'd like to say one more thing, that one does not have to use any kind of mantra, any kind of chanting during this process. Just have to observe, because mind per se is very active. The moment it goes into a observation mode, then everything, then you can have connection to the soul possible. So I would request everyone to just relax there, no mantra, nothing. Keep your eyes closed, and we are starting it. It will start with slow movement, slowly, and it will build up the speed, and finally it may go to the crescendo, and then we can stop it. May I have your blessings, Patri ji, to start the session? Hello. Okay, Happy ji. All right, we are starting, huh? I request all the listeners to move around, move your body, be in the beat, so that you can enjoy that all the trillions of cells in your body are also responding. Feel the trillions of cells are enjoying the process. They're listening to the frequency of the soul, which is nothing but Satchidanand. Anand is the ultimate truth. like, you can get up and dance to express your sense of bliss. J for joy. Express your joy with the beats. Now the time when you can show. Get up and then dance as much as you can. 2 minutes of silence so that you are in touch with your soul. The silence that is a primordial silence of emptiness. Feel that. 30 seconds left. Ten seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's clap our existence on Mother Earth with the LPJ, love, peace, and joy. That is what our pure essence is, to enjoy, be here. Love means once you are in love with yourself, in love with others, there is no enemy. When there is no enemy, you are at peace with yourself. Once you are at peace with yourself, then what you are going to express? You are going to express your happiness, joy, joyfulness. That's our nature. So, time to clap ourselves.
Thank you, Baba.
सर जी नमस्कार.
बहुत दिन हुए आपको देखकर, आपको सुनकर.
आप बुलाएं जब भी, आदेश दें तो तैयार है आपका सेवक.
Thank you for your feet. Nothing like classical music.
हाँ सही बात है, वो तो है. Nothing like classical music because there's nothing there. I mean, sort of, it's a pure frequency, vibration which touches the soul. Soul requires the right kind of vibrations, like frequency matching. You know, that matches the frequency where you feel you are at each with yourself. Yes, you are connected. Is the whole idea is the connection. Yes, पत्री जी, ये वीणाएं हैं मुझे अक्टूबर में मिली. मैं कलकत्ता गया था तो सडनली आई फाउंड दिस. आपको दिखाई पड़ रही है? तो दिस इज, हाँ, ये इसमें इसका वाइब्रेशन बहुत अच्छे हैं इसके. लॉट ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस. आपको साथ पता आई वांट टू आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. डिड यू फाइंड अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस एंड दैट अदर वन दैट आई वाज प्लेइंग अर्लियर, मोहन वीणा?
There is always a difference.
Okay.
When you change the instrument, there is always difference in tone.
Okay, so this total quality is more Veena sounding. that's the and it touches my soul. When it touches my soul, so I feel that it touches other soul also, with that presumption that I've been playing. Or
one.
Yeah, yes. I think this is a बोलिए sir, continue please.
All bodies are different, but all the souls are one.
Yes, absolutely. It's like the sense of oneness all around us.
Yes,
we are connected. So this is your
But music is one.
beg your pardon?
Like musical instruments are different, but music
Yes.
is one.
Music is one, absolutely.
The bodies are different, but the soul is one.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Baba. Yes, Harpreet Singh.
थैंक यू अरुण जैन जी. इट वाज ए मेलोडियस. आप हमें कहां से कहां ले गए. मतलब हमारा तो अभी भी दिल नहीं कर रहा कि आपको कहें कि नहीं आप बजाते चले जाओ. मतलब क्या मेलोडी थी, क्या धुन थी, हम कहां से कहां पहुंच गए. मतलब वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू ऑल pyramid masters. This wisdom cannot come simply like that. It's all, each one person has something unique which we all are enjoying together in this digital dhyan. Thank you to Brahmaji Patri ji.
It's my pleasure to be here for the service of the mankind, because this is connection, resonance from heart to heart that happens. And thank you so much, Harpreet ji, for